Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a B&M haul. I went to a B&M in Newcastle. I needed to get some loo roll, so I picked some up, but I also picked up a lot more than just loo roll. Little bit boring, nothing that exciting, but I will go through what I bought because do you know what? If you have followed my channel for a long time, you know I love a haul. I've always loved a haul video. I was obsessed with makeup hauls when I was obsessed with makeup, but now I'm obsessed with saving money and making sure I maximize all of my earnings and what I can get for, what we're paying two mortgages at the minute while we're selling our house and we've bought our others. So it's a strain. So that means that we're trying to save as much as possible. I know I've done a few hauls, but actually I need a lot of the stuff, and some of the stuff I wanted to try. Maybe I didn't need this, but I'll tell you in a minute. So the first thing I went in for was toilet roll, and I just picked up a pack of 12 Andrex. You usually get 9, but you got 12 for the price of 9, which is actually really good. And this was £3.99, and normally it's around £4.55 if it's on offer. So, and that's for just 9. So I was really chuffed with that, and I do like Andrex. It is my favourite. This is the Gentle Clean with puppies on a roll. So I do like Andrex. I mean, it's toilet roll, but I don't like cheap stuff. So, yeah. Okay, so I do have to save a little bit, but it's a non, it's not really a saving when you're using more because it's so crap. Anyway, that was a long way round, wasn't it? Bought some more of our favourite Skinny Whip bars. They didn't have the toffee ones. Basically, these are like a chewy nougat with little crispy bits in the middle. They remind me of the top bit of a double-decker. So I really like these. They are quite big as well, and they've got less than 99 calories. We're not dieting, but if I can reduce the calories in my snacks, and I do enjoy these, then I will do. These are the strawberry flavour. They do a double chocolate, but I find that really boring. It's just not tasty. These ones and the toffee ones are the best. They're 99p in B&M, and usually you can get them home bargains as well. They're difficult to come across though. So Skinny Whip are the ones. They do Skinny Crunch as well, and they're okay, but the Skinny Whip are the best ones if you want something for like lunchtime snacking. So or like mid-11s or even mid-afternoon, just something to keep you going. If you like a bit of chocolate as well, maybe after dinner instead of having a bar of chocolate, these really do kill that craving. So yeah, love those. It's absolutely bloody roasting in the UK at the moment, and I am obsessed with freezer pops. So I bought these Vimto ones. Oh, they're open. Let me just show you one. So they come in a bag like this, and they're these ones where you put them in the freezer and then you snap them, and they're amazing. These are my favourite ice lollies. I've been having the Tango ones, and they're really nice. But I thought I'd give these a go. So it says a 2-in-1 pop, but I think they're just the same one. You've got one they've got no added sugar as well. So, that'd be even better. Grapes, raspberries and blackberries, and then mango, strawberry and pineapple. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah, absolutely love this sort of thing for the freezer. Again, we've been watching less than 6 calories per pop. We've been watching loads of like TV in the evenings to cool down because we just can't move. It's so hot. And then we have one of these as a treat, which I really enjoy. Also, I feel like I'm being good, but not everything in here is good. So yeah, bought some hula hoop puffs. You get these on offer at £1 each, but they're not always on offer, and they're usually about £2.95 if they're not on offer. I really like these. These remind me of like a lighter version of pork scratchings, which is really nice. I quite like these. And these ones taste really like beefy, so I do like them. So they'll go into our crisp drawer. What other food have I got? Oh yes, somebody online, I'm trying to remember, I think it's Hazel Marie Wood. She said about these dried noodles, and I love noodles from a pack. These are the Coca Original Chicken flavour, and what she said was she mixes them with the spicy stir fry, and it's to die for. And do you know what? I'm all about trying stuff, so I really want to give these a go. They're just a really good dinner, like if you want to have it with something, like stir fry it in with something, or you know, when you just want something quick. These are really good. Now, yes, they're probably not the healthiest. Let's have a look what they've got in them. They've got, so per pack is 81 calories. Not too many calories, but I bet you the salt isn't good. 0.6 grams is 3 grams per 100, which is quite high. So don't have them often, but I think these would be really nice. My friend used to make this into more of a soup, like a noodle soup, and then add in crab sticks, even into the chicken ones, like just to warm them through, and it was like a really nice crab soup. Totally love that. So it's a really good alternative. Calories wise fine, otherwise not. And then the naughty thing, I bought some of these licorice flyers. These remind me of my mum so much. When we were kids, she always bought some flyers. When we were in, they're all magic ones, they used to be called as well. But these were her favourite thing when we were growing up. And you know, when we used to go and get the penny sweets, she'd always go and get these, and it's just a memory. I try not to eat too many of these in one go, because licorice can be quite have a laxative effect. So, you know, I don't have more than maybe 2 in a sitting, which is fine because they're quite, if you don't know what they are, just let me explain. So it's licorice, and then it's got a little bit of hard candy at the end, but underneath that is pure sherbet, like a really nice granulated sherbet, really fizzy and nice, and it goes so well. I'm not a massive fan of licorice on its own, but these are really nice. So if you've never tried them, definitely try them. But you know, my recommendation is not to eat too many if you suffer with stomach problems. So just keep that. There's free from artificial colours and flavourings. It says new improved flavour, but I think they taste exactly the same. And then I got a couple of cleaning products. I bought this Sephora. I haven't actually smelt this one yet. It's the Tropical Twist limited edition. I had the Paradise Peach. I really liked it. I was looking for this one everywhere. Couldn't find it, and I wanted to give it a go. It's quite nice. It smells fruity. It's not strong, but then, you know, it can get stronger once you add water to it. It just says it's, it looks like it's got pineapple, lemon and lime, coconut, and some flowers in there. But yeah, really nice. What I use this for, so if you don't use the Flora, where have you been? But what I use this for is 1, to clean the plug holes in the sink. 2, I actually use it to mop my floors. I use it in the mop bucket. I really find it just makes everything, and it also keeps the mop disinfected, which I like. But I put it in the sink. If we're going out, I don't want to burn candles anymore. I haven't burnt candles for maybe 2 years. Don't like burning candles because I don't like the soot. You know, when you're moving home, and I've noticed this in lots of people where we've gone round to visit, in our new house as well, they've taken off the pictures and there's like a soot ring all the way around. It's disgusting. And that is going up our noses, and I just don't like it. So we've got wax melts, which I prefer because obviously there's no soot with those, and I feel like they're safer. But this is even safer if you just put some Sephora in the sink with some hot water and just leave it in the sink while you go out. And when you come back, the smell, and some of them are so strong, so much better. So if you haven't tried Sephora, use it. You can use it to clean anything, but I prefer to have it that way to make sure that like it's like an additional scent that can last all day. I do use it sometimes diluted as a spray as well. It says create a fragrant freshness throughout your home. Yeah, it's great. Do not allow pets to lick or walk on wet treated surfaces. Little tip there. Use undiluted only in ceramic and metal sinks, drains and toilet bowls. I've never read the back, but I do all of that, so that's good. probably should read the back of things though, just in case. And then I got these. These are the Scrub Buddies. Now, if you watch Mrs. Hinch, and I'm not a religious watcher, I've just caught a few of her sort of Instagram stories because I just wanted to know what the fuss was about. But if you do watch her, and you know, I watch other people who talk about her a lot, she has something called Minky, and it's a scrubby on one side and it's a soft on the other side, well, sort of soft. These, to me, are 100% better and they're so much cheaper. So the Minky, which I have got, costs $2.49 for one sponge. These, which are, they're slightly different. They're a bit scrubbier on this side, but they've got a microfiber cloth here, which I really like. I've got some pink ones. These ones are for the new house. I'm not going to open them yet. And they wash really well, actually. But these are so much better, and they're $1.99 for 3. I've got a pink one that I've been using 2 of, and the third one's still not been used yet. So these blue ones I'm keeping for the new house because we're going to have a navy kitchen, and I think this light blue will go really well, and grey. So I'm keeping these for the new house. And yeah, these are great. If you haven't tried them, they're really good. I feel like they're a better size. Oh God, I'm spitting everywhere. That's good. I feel like they're a better size, but they sell them in B&M, $1.99 for a 3-pack, which makes them what? Less than 75p each, roughly. So it's bargain, really. Just a side note, if I start talking about these and people get wind, they're going to be difficult to find. They do them in different colours. They do them in the blue and the pink. They may do a grey as well, maybe. But I don't really give a crap about colours, really, because these were just the last ones in the shop, but they will go in the new house. Anyway, they're the cleaning stuff. And the final thing, which wasn't an essential, but we've got in our new home, the back door leads out into this like ginnel area, which is attached to, well, the ginnel area is where our outhouses are. So we're moving into an old 1950s council property. So it's an ex-council property, and very similar to what we're in now, actually, because this is an ex-council property. Sorry, I've got a spot on my nose. Oh God, hurts. So we're moving into this ex-council property as part of, so the outhouses have got a cover on them, so it is like it's still part of the house, but they are outside anyway. That area at the moment is just painted cream, and it's just all the paint's flaking off. So we're going to get all of the paint off, paint it pure white, just to make it a bit brighter. But we're going to make that ginnel all sort of maritime themed, and maybe a bit like, yeah, seaside theme more than maritime theme, because we're not really bothered about boats. But this mirror, was down from £5.99 to £4, so nautical mirror. And I picked up one, but I might pick up another one, depends. It was on the special buy, so it might have gone back up to £5.99. Not loads of money, but it's a really great thing. So this mirror is blue, and I'll bring it closer, it's a wooden thing here. It's got rope around the edges. It's got a rope hangy thing here. Hangy thing, God, my technical speak is well good. Good size mirror, and I just thought it'd be really nice to have this, maybe one of these or another different design or something to go in that area, because I want to make it a bit brighter. It is going to be white, it is going to be nautical themed. I've already got a ladder that goes across the top, so we're going to paint that white as well. So yeah, I just thought this would be really nice for there. I know the nautical theme is normally like a bathroom thing, but it's not for me personally. I think it would look really good in that area. So I'm really chuffed with this for £4. I wouldn't normally pay that much, but I think it's quite well made, and it will do us okay for that area. Again, like I say, we're trying to save money, and we're trying to do our house up as nice as possible. So that is going to be a great addition. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad to be back. Just getting back into the swing of things and getting back into talking to you guys. I know it's so difficult to sit here and talk when you haven't done it for a really long time. Work is going really well. Life is going great-ish. There's just so much going on. I would love to talk to you more about stuff, and I think I mentioned in my last video that I really would like for you guys to do a Q&A with me, because it's been such a long time. So thank you for watching. I will sign off now. I hope you subscribe if you want to, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.